Namaste. Let us look at Sloka 34 in chapter 2. Akīrtiṁ cāpi bhūtāni kathayiṣyanti te vyayāṁ sambhāvitasya cākīrtir maraṇād atiricyate. Akīrtiṁ ca api bhūtāni kathayiṣyanti te avyayāṁ sambhāvitasya ca akīrtihi maraṇād atiricyate. Bhagavan had pointed out that Arjuna should wage the war because it was his swadharma. Swadharma meaning his duty. Bhagavan in the previous sloka had told that if he backs out of the war, then he will only incur papam or sin. In this sloka, Bhagavan again reiterates yet another aspect if Arjuna doesn't wage the war. Akīrtiṁ, akīrtiṁ meaning infamous or known for the wrong things. Bhūtāni, bhūtāni mean all the people around. Kathayiṣyanti will talk about. Te avyayam. So all these people will talk about you backing out of the war. And for how long? Avyayam. Avyaya usually means something which is not destroyable. So here it simply means it's very long time. So all these people will be talking badly about you for a very long time. And sambhāvitasya cākīrtihi ca akīrtihi. This bad name that you earn because of not waging the war is greater than being killed. Maraṇād atiricyate. It is worse than being killed, meaning that it is better to get killed, is what Bhagavan is telling here. For a Kshatriya, death in the battlefield is considered the highest honor. Now let us look at sloka number 35. bhayād raṇād uparataṁ maṁsyante tvaṁ mahā-rathāḥ yeṣāṁ tvaṁ bahu-mato bhūtvā yāsyasi lāghavam. bhayād raṇād uparataṁ maṁsyante tvaṁ mahā-rathāḥ yeṣāṁ tvaṁ bahu-matah bhūtvā yāsyasi lāghavam. Here Bhagavan further explains what can happen. So bhayād, out of fear, raṇād, from the battlefield, uparataṁ, returned, meaning that you returned from the battlefield without fighting because of fear. So here Bhagavan says that mahā-rathāḥ tvaṁ maṁsyante. Mahā-rathāḥ meaning usually the warriors were classified based on their fighting ability. If they can handle 10,000 people at the same time, they were called as mahā-rathāḥ. Duryodhana, Karna were all mahā-rathāḥ. So here those people will think that you backed out of the war because you were frightened. yeṣāṁ tvaṁ bahu-matah. These very people had high esteem for you. Now what will happen? You were held in high esteem. Lāghavam yāsyasi, meaning that you will be considered very small or you will fall in the esteem, is what is Bhagavan is trying to tell Arjuna. And we will continue again with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.